Want to make a boxy zipper pouch in any size? This simple pattern calculator makes it super easy. Ever wanted a pouch that fits exactly what you need, but didn't quite know how to draft the right pattern? I'll show you a quick and easy way with this simple pattern calculator available in my Etsy shop. Step 1. Choose the finished size for your pouch. Width, height, and depth in either centimeters or inches, whichever you're more comfortable with. Step 2. Open the calculator in your browser and plug in your dimensions. Step 3. Measure the width of the zipper you're using. If it's different from the default, 2.6 centimeters or 1.02 inches, just update that number in the calculator. Step 4. Hit the calculate button. The measurements for your pattern pieces will show up below. Grab a ruler and pencil and draw out the 3 rectangles. It's the same layout used in the Boxy zipper pouch instructions. If you are wondering how long your zipper should be, you'll want a zipper that's at least as wide as the top or bottom pattern piece. For example, this one works perfectly, but this shorter purple one, too small. If your zipper's too long, like this red one, you can always trim it down to fit. And that's it. Now you're ready to cut your fabric and start sewing. Be sure to follow the steps and seam allowance indicated in the Boxy zipper pouch instructions for the best results. Happy sewing and thanks for watching.